Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to Dhan. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is we go to settings and then click on manage plugins, and then we scroll down where you will find right here Dhan. Right now it's gray, so if you can see right here, the plugin is not allowed by your license. So if you want to install it right here, we need to change our program to the version that is standing right there. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Once you did that, you can click right here on install. And then once you install it right here, we click on the cross, go to connections, and then we select right here configure. Then right here we do add connection, and then for example select right here the Dhan that we just installed. So now let's do something else right now. Let's do Bitmax for example, and then you can click here on OK. And then if you go to connections, you can select right here Dhan. But now I do the example with Bitmax. But if you select Dhan or install Dhan, you can click right here on Dhan. And then if you go left in the bottom, you see right here that Bitmax is connected, but that will be done for you. So I showed you an example with Bitmax, but you can do exactly the same for Dhan, but then you need to change your software. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.